For Idaho News 6, I'm senior reporter Don Nilsson. This summer's rock fire burned almost 80 acres of property here at Tamarack. So what do? You make a new run. We were the first to show you the damage caused by the rock fire at Tamarack Resort this summer. Dozens of acres burned, coming dangerously close to the resort's infrastructure.
That was the hand Mother Nature dealt us, so we adapt and overcome.
Scott Turlington, president of Tamarack, said unfortunately it is the cost of doing business, and the business now is to clear the dead timber out and clean up the terrain. This load of lumber is one of over 200 loads that will be coming out of the burned out area over the next 3 weeks. This wood will be hauled down to a local sawmill.
This is what a lightning strike looks like at the end of the aftermath. Well, actually, that's not true. This is about halfway through. What it will look like is when we have groomers through here, a lot of powder, skiers enjoying this opportunity and taking advantage of this new terrain, the beautiful vistas you get from this pitch.
As you can see, there's still plenty of work to be done. Large stumps like this will be taken out, and they'll be cut down to what they call a flush cut, which is about 6 inches above the ground. During the ski season, there'll be enough snow that'll be above my hand. Turlington says this new 50 to 60 acres of skiable terrain will be for more advanced skiers. Reporting from Tamarack Resort in Valley County, I'm senior reporter Don Nelson, Idaho News 6.